So good morning, Nadia. How are you doing today?
Good morning, I'm good.
Well, we're here today to talk with Nadia about her internship with HM Close over the summer. So Nadia, can you tell us a little bit about what you did on a daily basis or what your average week looked like?
So my whole internship, one of the best things about it was that my mentor, Brian Hill, he planned basically my whole internship, which was awesome because I could jump right into it and there wasn't a lull in time sort of trying to schedule things. So my weekly schedule was set every week and I knew what to do every week. I also added on extra things that I wanted to do. A typical week looked like me coming in, 8, 9, going to check on my plants if I had plants planted, going to check on the bacteria that I was growing, and then starting on whatever data collection or potting, planting the seed, or data collection or inoculation that I had to do that day.
Did you come up with this project that you were working on with HM Close?
No. I got there and I was nervous because I was like, what am I going to do? But Brian Hill, he came up with this project that he's talking with some of the growers and they were talking about this thing called microbial inoculant for their plants. And Brian, being a pathologist, he was like, that's really interesting. I want to do something with this. And then I come around and he's like, let's do it.
Did you come into this internship knowing a lot about agriculture?
No, I was really nervous about that because I had never even considered agriculture as a career path. Anyway, I'm a city girl. I'm from Miami.
What was your favorite part about the internship?
My favorite part was actually doing a scientific investigation by myself. I never had such freedom that Brian gave me, and it was good science too. That was my favorite.
So can you give us a little bit about what your research project was about?
I was investigating if a certain product called EM or microbial inoculant, some liquid that has bacterial cultures in it, like a mix of them. You put that in the soil or you spray that on the plant and it's supposed to help naturally enhance the plant's immunity to a disease or maybe make it better to help it fight off those bacteria, fungi, or maybe even kill those bacteria and fungi. It's very organic driven. The organic growers.
Do you think that this internship has changed your perspective towards the food that you eat or the career that you're going into?
It changed what I was interested in. After that internship, I was looking at GMOs differently. I might go into this now, and I actually did. I got back to UF and I left the microbiology lab that I was able to be like, okay, I want to work with someone who's doing work with transgenic crops. And I got a position right now as an undergraduate assistant in Dr. Folta's lab. It definitely did open my eyes to a whole new world that I could pursue career-wise.
That's awesome. Do you have any advice for other students applying into this program?
My advice would be to be well-rounded. You don't have to be focused on school all the time. I think there needs to be more time for social growth.
And do you have any favorite stories or memories from this summer that you would like to share?
My last day at the company was bittersweet, but it was so rewarding because I did give that presentation that I had been preparing for a long time and it went really well. I felt really proud of myself that I was able to present the data and the science in a way that people could understand. Give a shout out to Brian Hill. Honestly, he's awesome. He really helped me out. I don't know how to express how grateful I am that I got him as a director. I think having a good mentor like that really does affect you, and I hope that I can one day be as good a mentor that he was to me to someone else.
Thank you, Nadia, so much with your work over the summer with HM Close and for your work with pathogens. And we hope that you have a successful career in plant diseases and transgenic crops.
Thank you.